This video is for small business owners who are committed to the growth. Why your ideal customers can't find you and how to fix that fast. That's what we're talking about today for you so you can grow. My first 10 years in business, I was frustrated when good potential clients I later met didn't know anything about me and that I could have helped them previously with a problem they had, but I wasn't aware of it. I could have helped them, but they weren't aware of me. If you're offering something great, but still struggling to get noticed by others, you're not alone. A lot of businesses go through that. The problem usually isn't your product or your service or you, it's your visibility. They just don't see you. They don't know about you. Ideal customers can't buy you if they don't know you exist. Here's what might be holding you back. Number one, your message isn't really clear to them. They don't really understand it. If your website or your social media doesn't say exactly who you are, exactly how you help people, people are going to scroll right past you. When they become confused, they go someplace else. Here's some quick fixes for you, especially if your brand's hiding what you really do to help people. They don't know your face, they don't know who you are, they don't know your voice, and they don't know your values. So the quick fixes. Number one, rewrite your homepage or your bio. Clear to say, I help these kind of people. Could be men, could be women, could be a certain income bracket, could be a person who has a certain problem. Who is it you help? So they know if this is them. And secondly, second part of that is what are the results, the outcomes they're looking for that you help them get those outcomes, those results. Share that with them, or they're not going to know that. Number two, choose one or two different marketing platforms where your people already hang out, where they're already there. Facebook groups, LinkedIn, TikTok, could be YouTube or local events. Go where they are, which gives you number three, share stories. I already love stories. You love stories. I love stories. It's a great way to share information, how you help people, what problems you solve, and why is it you care so much about helping them. When they know how much you care, they're more likely to want to deal with you. All this doesn't have to be perfect. Just be clear, be concise, be present. That's how you're going to get your ideal clients to find you, to know who you are. If you want a free, no sales pressure visit to help you get started with a plan, reach out to me. I'm glad to help you with a short visit. It would be free. Contact me now if you want. And remember to always believe in yourself.